Hello, African world traveler here. Welcome to Blackpool vlog. We are going shopping to ALDI with our scooter. People want to see me riding my scooter. So now today, I think I'm prepared to explore with you with my scooter to ALDI around 8 p.m. I got my helmet, I got everything, so let's go. Wish me luck as well though, guys. Wish me luck. Look on your right, look on your left. Claire, let's go. Come on, let's go. It's freezing, guys. It's absolutely freezing. This car, okay, you waited long. Thank you. Alright, so guys, I'm all strapped up. I'm not going too fast. This can go like 25 miles an hour. I can go for like 25 miles an hour. What am I doing? I'm only doing 15-17 miles. Yeah, 15-17 miles, so that we can have the proper view. How you doing? You alright? You okay? Are you from around here? Are you from around here? Ish? Yeah. Alright, you're not from here then? No. No, alright. Have a good day. Good evening actually, it's evening time now. He was just looking at me, so just decided to say hi. I thought he's my neighbor. He's my neighbor, but he's not. He said Ish. He's actually not from around here. He said ish, so it means he's not around here. I would have asked him a few questions, but I'll let him carry on. But let's go, guys. It's freezing cold, guys. I'm not sure how cold it is, how many degrees, the temperature. I'm not sure, but it's actually freezing. So you can see some cars, some vehicles are frozen. So you see that car there is frozen, so we gotta be careful because we're in our e-bike, our e-scooter. So see, these vehicles are all prepared for the icy weather, you know, freezing cold weather, because they don't want to be getting up in the morning, getting ready for work, and you know, we gotta deal with scraping the windscreens and stuff. Just look, we're clear. We look on our right, it's all clear. We're good to go. Okay, let's go, guys. It's freezing, guys. This is the cycling lane. So we go up the pavement. I think the pavement is going to be dangerous. It's going to be icy to be on the pavement. So it might be best just to keep on the side of the road, which is a cycling lane. So this is a cycling lane, but there's a big potholes where the manholes are, the drains holes. They're massive. So this is where the cycling lane ends. So I'm gonna I'm gonna do it the right way, guys. This is the way you're gonna go if you got a cycle or a bike. So you go right this way. I'm on the pavement now, so it's not level, guys, and it's not like gridded or the guys. Okay, the cycling lane goes down that way, so we're not going that direction. We're going by the M55 way, so you gotta take this road here. We're taking left on the pavement, and we're gonna go downhill, wall break hill. So we're going to use the wall break hill. So we're going to go down the hill for the traffic lights, and then we're going to cross the road from there. We are in ALDI. It used to be a pound, is it a pound stretcher or something? It used to be a pound stretcher. And I think there was a B&Q or something around there, you know, a while back, if I'm right. So guys, it's freezing. And guys, welcome to African World Traveler again. Once more, we are in the UK, Blackpool, Northwest. We are using our e-scooter, our e-bike, going shopping for ALDI. ALDI. So guys, I'm not using the main highway. I'm using the public walkway and the pavement. So right, this is a downhill, guys. Ooh, got a bang. Okay, so now we're gonna ride carefully, nice and slow, steady. So guys, I don't even need to get the throttle down. We don't need to get the speed throttle. Is it throttle or control? I just need to let the bike roll itself. Ooh, that's like a thing really poke me in the eye. So guys, it is fun, you know, having an e-bike. At the same time, it's dangerous, you know. I went off my backside a couple of times. Oh, that's it now. Look at that. The snowman. So I went 3 times on my backside with the e-bike. You get used to it, guys. You know, obviously you're gonna fall. Obviously, you've been on a bike, in a push bike, an e-bike, you're gonna fall. I fell a couple of times, but still doesn't stop me from being on it. So I think I'll have my e-bike for like 3 years or so. 3 years at least, you know, or nearly 3 years. It saved me a lot of money, guys. It did save me a lot of money. So I think it is among the best investment ever made. Okay, guys, just gotta be careful. It's not level up. You know, we're gonna go on the pavement again because the road surface is not level. So just rather be safe than be sorry. I got my helmet, I got my gloves. I'm properly geared up. We're properly geared up, so we're good. We're safe. So I've managed to not break an ankle or a bone for like 2 years. So it was safe to cross. Good. Is that light change? Yeah, it's changed now. We gotta wait, man. So we gotta wait. Let's wait. We're going to that ALDI there. We're nearly there. See now my breath. See my breath. So guys, our contents are all raw. These are all authentically raw, guys. It's not edited, it's not filtered. Ways to walk with a baby. The ways to walk with a baby. The guy walked the other side. And now he's already crossed the road. He must have done it so many times. He's done it so many times, so many years. So guys, what I was saying is my contents are all raw. My contents are all authentically raw. Raw contents, not edited, not filtered. Yeah, we keep things real and authentic. You know, this is real. So our contents are all real. So guys, we're safe to cross. So you see, we're safe to cross. So now instead, I'm gonna use this road here. So guys, if you looked at my other video, that's where the car crash happened here. Keep clear, that's there. So there's a guy turning to go to little ALDI, and there was a car going straight. Boom, crash. So here I am in ALDI almost. We are in ALDI. We got a home bargain or B&M bargain. And we got ALDI. So here we are. Welcome to ALDI. Ooh, freezing. We're here. Got to switch that off. It's like turn the light off there. We are right off yet, so I'm not sure. There's no security guard here. But let me get my scooter on the other side. Let's walk around. Let's get my scooter on that side, then let's go the self-checkout way and go and save our scooter on the side, and then we can have our own shopping in ALDI. The self-scan. It's going to leave it down the front. There's no one here though. It's very risky, but yeah. Let's get our helmet. Get our helmet out and gloves. God is laughing over there. I can see him looking through the window. So if anybody want to rob me, take my scooter, you're welcome. I got a spare one. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Let's go shopping. How do you, mate? Alright. Nice. Let's get a basket. Let's get a basket. Ooh. So guys, I got a list from my wifey. Oh, I got my rucksacks too anyway. So I need to get some potatoes. Potatoes. Which one should we get? Should we get a baby one? I'm not sure. I think this will be easy to cook, but it might not be ideal for her. Okay, let's just walk around. Let's walk around. This one is not long enough, is it? Yeah. Anyway. I think we need to get some ginger and you know what? I'll just get some bananas. Get some extra bananas. Let's get bananas. That's alright. That's alright. I think. Okay, got bananas. I might forget what I need in here now. So we need some oranges. I'll get some oranges. Big ones. Let's go this way. Let's get this orange. Let's get them oranges. I think one should do. Okay. So sorry guys, it's not gonna be steady because anyway, I'm bending down. I've got my GoPro strapped by my chest. Okay, some onions, one spring onions. So those cook a lot of spring onions, so use a lot of them. I want some ginger, but fresh one. I've not come across with any ginger yet. Just need a few things, but I'm always getting more than I needed. So when I'm here, I don't like spending much time while shopping in the shops. Can't find any fresh ginger. I need some rice, but I don't think I'll be able to carry a lot of stuff on my e-bike. I will need some milk as well. We need some tin milk. Let's have a look. I might probably forget what she told me we needed in the house. Oh, mustard. English mustard. Alright, 65p. Not bad. We'll get two. Let's get two. Let's get two. Guys. Put in the basket trolley. She said mayo as well. We need some mayo. We got some ketchup. We got some mayo. Hens. That's branded, isn't it? Salad cream. Guys, I'm scared. I can't have that for $2.49. I'm broke. I want it, you know, non-branded. You know what? I'll take the light one. Let's take that one, but it's in the glass. Anyway, we're gonna get that. We're in a budget. We on the budget. So budget shopping in ALDI. Not in Asda. I used to shop in Asda, delivery at home, but man is broke, man. I'm skinny, guys. I spend most of the time in Africa, so I'm broke. We got some couscous. Let's try some couscous. Let's try some lemon. Roasted vegetables. Let's try them. 2 each. How much are they? They're like 49p, yeah? Let's try 2 each. Yeah, then we can get the flavor and see which one is the best flavor, guys. Whew. I've not even got the list he gave me. So, okay, I got one list among